Hello, Pankaj ji. Hello, Pramod sir. We are live, so we are just waiting for students to join us.
Yeah. So continue. I'll just talk to Premo.
Yeah, please. Very good afternoon to all the students who are joining us on the award ceremony of Mission AI. We will be just starting soon in few minutes. So till the time you can share this live link with your friends. I'll just delete, edit this. You can share this with your friends and in your groups of your students and your friends so that you can call them up for the award ceremony. Very good morning and good afternoon to all the students who are joining us. We are just shortly starting.
Yeah, Ayush, hi.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Thank you. Thank you very
Good
much.
afternoon, sir.
So, we have come to a happy ending of the
Yes.
camp.
Yes.
Hi, sir.
Hello, Pankaj.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
How are you?
Afternoon, sir. Yeah, I'm doing fine, sir.
What is, I have not seen any promotional material for the next camp.
Yeah, we
After
will
this.
be. Yeah, we will be finalizing the dates and then we will start the promotion of the next. There were a lot of students who wanted to join again for the next boot camp, so we will be asking them to join in the next boot camp as well.
We
A
had
lot of
suggested, प्रमोद जी कोई हमने डेट सजेस्ट नहीं की थी पीछे. We had finalized some dates. Anyway,
Yes. We're following up with others also. So
okay,
basically a bit dynamic.
okay. Any update on Yudhishthir's or
So we are live. We are live actually. We can discuss
We'll
it later.
talk about it offline.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I thought we are in the room.
No.
Yeah. Yes. Ayush, maybe you can do the screen sharing, the slides.
I think my screen is okay. It just got
Yeah,
stopped.
it's
I'll
not.
just start.
It's just gone out.
So I don't see participants have been allowed already. I don't see any number coming in.
Yes. We have about 120 already joined. Just now we started. 2
Okay.
minutes back.
Now it's visible, I think. Right? Welcome again to all the student, teachers, and parents who are joining us on the award ceremony. We'll be just shortly starting in 2 more minutes. It's wonderful to see you all back again on the session. We were missing you for these 4 to 5 days where you have been given a time to submit your project.
JP is not there today?
Not just now, sir.
Huh? Okay. Ayush, how many people we expect to join today?
So we are expecting around 250 to 300, 400 people.
Who are interested in prizes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, we created a new webinar session for them. So last one had the limit of 10 sessions to be scheduled. So this is a new session that we have to create.
Oh.
So students, we will be letting you know about who is the winner and everything. We are just waiting for few other students to join, and then we will start the session.
Yes, let's wait for 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
Ayush, we can start. Students can like the students who have not joined till now, they can. We will be sharing the video with them as well, so they can see
Sure.
all the things on the video as well. So maybe we can start.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to again welcome all the students, teachers, and parents who have joined us on the award ceremony for Mission AI. I, along with Dr. Prem sir, Pramod sir, and Pankaj sir, again welcomes you, and we are love to see you back on the session. So you all were waiting for this session eagerly. We know that. So now we'll start with the ceremony, and first I would request Mr. Dr. Prem sir to please give a few lights of words to the students.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be participating in the award ceremony. I recall the day we started the AI bootcamp mission. The way I see the world is probably everyone in the country needs to be trained on AI technologies, because that is in the next 10 years going to drive everything that you see around, whether it is your school, or it is your job, or it is your neighborhood, or it is the governance, or it is the financial sector, banking and others. So, and I also see one great learning out of our experience of the boot camps. And this learning is that in a relatively short period of 14 sessions, amazing things can happen. That means the learning of our students is actually inexhaustible if you look at it. That means we have a queue for our schools and the principals who may also be attending it to actually add to the learning of the students through technologies like AI that we are using today, or the methodologies that we have followed here. That means teach, and then the student performs, each student performs, and then finally handholding, and then opening up, and then the project-based learning. These are power. This is a powerful new methodology of learning, which schools can follow. I'm very happy that we have finally concluded the. This is the second mission boot camp that we are concluding, and the third is in the pipeline. We have a very ambitious mission of in the first step taking the AI to 100,000. That means 1 lakh students in the country, and the next final destination is 10 million students in the country. And as I mentioned to you, our wish is that all the 220 million students who are going to schools should actually get to our boot camps, and they should get trained on these technologies. It is only a beginning, and all of you who are attending today know how much difference it can make in a short span of 2 weeks. I congratulate Pankaj, Pramodji, and Ayush for taking this in a way that the student feels so engaged, so absorbed, and so enthusiastic to take up AI. And it is the future. If we have to compete with the world tomorrow, and India has to be in the leadership position, the way China is today in technology, we have to do the catch-up game, and we need to train every student in our school. I mentioned to you there are 220 million students in the school, and we want to train everybody on at least the boot camp, so that you can go to advanced version if you like it. So congratulations once again, and please keep on carrying the good job of taking AI. And all of you are aware that this is being done by a spirit of mission and without charging anything from anybody. So congratulations once again the team. Congratulations all the winners. Congratulations all the participants. We have the competitions coming again and again, and we will also be doing major national level event where you can again compete, and we will also be hand holding. My best wishes to everybody who's associated with the Mission AI Bootcamp. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prem sir. Now I would request Pramod sir to please share
Okay.
some views.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Prem. You have very rightly pointed out that AI is starting to dominate every sector, whether it is your schools, whether it is business, finance, automotive, the smart lights, smart cities, everything. AI is coming in everywhere. But the thing is, AI is not big. It's so small, like what we saw. It had vision, it had sound, it has those text to reading. So what happens is, what we have done in the boot camp, we have introduced you to AI, the basic features, and shown you how easy it is to learn if you go step by step. So I hope my voice is clear. So what we are going to do is, after this boot camp is over, It is not over. Your journey in AI has just started, and that is what this boot camp was. It was a starter to get you interested into the AI, and then give you enough so that you can start learning yourself. Of course, from Center of Digital Technologies and through STEMpedia, we'll be bringing you many of these AI programs, some more advanced programs. And one of the things we are thinking of is starting, because we want all the students who have joined to continue interacting with each other in learning and mastering the AI. So we might very soon be starting a Mission AI Club also. So where you will be able to interact with all the colleagues, not only who did the course with your camp, but everybody in India, all the school students who have been exposed to Mission AI. We will allow them to join the AI Club and keep improving their AI skills, which is one of the most necessary things. So good. At least we have started something, we have understood something, and now we know what the road ahead is. It is going to become very important in the next 2-3 years. It will not even take 10 years. And so by the time 2-3 years over, you will see the changes everywhere. Just now they're already there, but that much you know about Alexa, you know about Vision, you know how to make your home smart. A lot of things you already learned. So now keep up the skill, keep in touch with us, keep in when we launch the Mission AI Club, join that, join the new courses we are going to bring, and Pankaj will tell you more about these kind of new initiatives we are going to bring to make sure India is among the top in the AI. Because in software, India was always on top. So it is time now for India and for you to take your position on the top of the world. So with those words, thank you again for being with us in the Mission AI. And Pankaj, I would like to just give them some more exciting knowledge so that they know what the future is. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Pankaj. Can you just address them?
Yes.
Thank you, Pramod sir. So, as I would like to take few points here with Pramod sir told you, so now you have joined us. So it's now your time to also ask your fellow mates every time we are launching a boot camp to join, so that together we can reach to a good number of students and make a good ecosystem of artificial intelligence and learning platform. So every time it's not over that you have learned, now your responsibilities are to propagate this to other fellow mates also. So now I would request Mr. Pankaj to please share his views on it.
Yes.
Thank you, Ayush. Thank you, Pramod sir and Prem sir as well for motivating the students. And as rightly said, we are on a mission to impart artificial intelligence based education to a lot of students, and the current number that we are targeting is 1 lakh students, but the number we want to make it larger as well, and we wanted to create an ecosystem where all the students are contributing and helping each other in order to create a community which is working towards technology, working towards artificial intelligence. And the right way to start is from the from the school education. So inside the school education, we the new technology, by introducing new technology, you would be able to you can become capable of creating solutions of problems that we are facing right now. So there are a lot of issues that you see in your society, community, and a lot of things, and you can create solutions using the things that you have learned during the camp. And I am very excited to see what all things you are creating and creating in the after the camp as well, because this was just a beginning, as Pramod sir has already said. This is just a beginning, and we will be coming up with a lot of programs in order to make you learn more about artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, all those things. We will be taking care, coming up with more and more programs, and we want all of you to be dedicated towards learning and creating the ecosystem and helping us to grow the community as well. So I would request all of you, we will be coming up with more boot camps in in coming weeks, and I would request all of you to promote the camp with your fellow students so that they can also learn about artificial intelligence, and they can also like become more and more knowledgeable about the 21st century skills as well. So it would be very great that great if you spread the word about artificial intelligence and Mission AI, so that we are able to help out more and more students as well. And since the camp was free, so it is something which we are doing as a part of a mission, and we are all, like motivating all of you with the competitions, with the prizes, and with the knowledge that we are also giving it to you as well. So I would request all of you to like just become our ambassadors and spread the word with your fellow classmates about Mission AI, telling your experience, what all things you have experienced as well, and be the part of the community and learn more about artificial intelligence as well. So thank you everyone for being the part of the boot camp. And Ayush will be announcing the winners as well. So we have gone through each and every project that was submitted by students, and there were a lot of entries, and we were very excited to see the amount of work that you have put down in the past 3 to 4 days in order to create the project. I know like the time was very short, but like if you are given an opportunity in a very short period of time, a lot of time what happens is your real creativity also comes out. So in the pressure of creating something very innovative in the short time, you have done a very good job, and it's great to see the projects that you have created as well. So I would just say that all of you did a very good job in terms of like creating the project. I would congratulate to all the winners who will be like or like what Ayush will be announcing in some time as well. And if you haven't won this time, then don't get discouraged, because this is something you have to be prepared about as well. So I would recommend all of you to like create more and more projects on AI and share it with us in the community as well. So we will soon start start the community phase of Mission AI as well, which will allow you to share your projects on a daily basis, and you would also be able to see the projects created by your fellow participants as well. So this would allow you to become more creative, see what all things others are making as well, comment on that, and create something more on top of it as well. So all of this would allow you to do make the AI stuff more easy for other students and for you as well. So that's all from my side. So I congratulate to all the winners. We will be announcing their name very soon, and to all participants for being part of the boot camp. Thank you.
So yeah, thank you, Pankaj. So now I think students, one of the favorite line I would like to say here of right now, just what Pankaj told, that now you are the ambassadors of the Mission AI, right? So now it's your responsibility also to bring and spread, make this community big, so that every one of us can be a part of mission, and like every fellow mate and every student can learn these 21st century skills of artificial intelligence. So now I won't take much more of your time, okay? And like we'll start with the things related to the award. So first thing is, like you already know about it, that this was a mission for the students who were from class 3rd and till 10th, and here we had learned so many different things, different concepts like games and animation, computer vision, face detection, object detection, machine learning, and speech recognition. So we were like and it was very well seen in the projects that you have used all these activities, and you have shown your understanding, that how well you have understood the concepts. Okay, so now I'll just start with the announcing the winners. So the winner of this boot camp is Carol Kocher from GD Goenka, Vasant Kunj. She made a project on help doco So now I would like to show the video of this project as well. So just give me a moment.
Are you a doctor and are you stressed? Do you feel like giving up? Well then, wait a minute and look at this. Now introducing Helpo Doco. Say goodbye to all your stress.
Good evening. My name is Kyle Kocher, and today I will be presenting a project made by me named Helpo Doco. Doco will be a doctor's best partner. Just take a look.
Are you a doctor?
Yeah, so I'll just share the video again, okay? And I think due to some error, it could not be played. So I'll just play it again for you all. So am I audible, Pankaj?
Ayush will be joining back.
Am I audible now?
Internet issues.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are okay. Sound is fine.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Yes,
now
sir.
I'll
Yes, sir.
just
Ayush will be joining back. I think.
Ayush has joined again. He was injecting his video.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Ayush, you are okay. Ayush, please continue.
Yeah. I'll just start the video again.
Yeah. I saw that. Yes.
Are you a doctor and are you stressed?
Jake?
Are you a doctor and are you stressed?
Doco, he saved Crocin, Dalgene, and Pudinara for Anushka Hans in the medicines Excel sheet. Thank you.
You seem worried. Would you like to solve a riddle to distract yourself?
Yeah, I'm getting an injection. That would be great.
The Ernstein's house was robbed. The police found out that the lock was picked. They found 3 suspects.
I made this using the data logger extension. After Doco has saved the data, it says done and moves on to go see the patient. This was the first example of how Doco can help doctors or just anybody in the hospital. Now, for the patients. First, it greets the patient. Second, it tells them to wear a mask if they are not. The Doco can recognize this through the machine learning extension. Now, if they are wearing a mask, Doco tells them to sanitize their hands. This is again with the help of the machine learning extension. Now, after that, when Doco saves the data, he says done. Now, another example is that when little kids or anyone is getting an injection, they're usually scared at times. So here, Doco recognizes the emotion of the patient and asks if he or she wants to. Now another example, and the last one, is basically in some hospitals, there may be people who won't be that familiar with English or who may speak some other language. So basically what I'm trying to say here is that Doco can speak in any language you want him to. Here I've taken an example of Spanish. Doco first asks, which language would you want me to speak in? And then, if the answer is Spanish, he starts speaking in Spanish. He even gives an option if you want to translate your prescription to Spanish. He recognizes the speech for 2 seconds in Spanish. If the answer contains C, which means yes, he will
If you
translate your
can explain the
prescription
project
to
and then
Spanish
move to
and tell it to
the,
you.
I think it's a very long
Yeah.
time
If the
video.
answer contains
You
no,
can just
then he says,
explain
okay,
the project,
no problem.
and we
Yeah,
will
yeah,
provide the link
yeah.
in the
That was all for my
to them
project.
as well for the
I really
top
do hope you like
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Sure. So now, like, I just put the link on the chat. So it was like complete explanation. So, but I'll give you a little idea what exactly what exactly the student made. Okay. So just give me a moment. I'll just share my screen.
Yes.
So first of all, a very congratulations to Kyril for making such a wonderful project. Okay, so like I'll explain you the project here. It was basically she made a help doco. So it is helping the doctors as well as the patients, both of them. So she has used some extensions of artificial intelligence where she is doing the work with speech recognition, and after giving certain commands to the pictoblock, she is writing those things into a sheet, excel sheet, and for that she is using a data logger. Also she is using to like stress buster type thing, where if like computer is asking, pictoblocks is asking you like whether you are stressed, so it is going to if you are going to say yes, so there like her project is going to ask a riddle to like distract your I should say distract you from the tension what you are having, right? So basically she has made a complete solution where what exactly in the pandemics we and the doctors were facing. So solution for this is like helpo doco. It's really wonderful, and again I would like to congratulate her for a wonderful project and a well explanation. And it was really nice seeing how the effort she have taken, the effort she has taken using the cardboards and everything. So she has not used any material like very big things. She has used all the things which is at the home level, that a cardboard using a tie. Okay, and it was really superb looking. So now I will move to the second prize, that is the first runner up. So the first runner up goes to Raghav from Mount Carmel, Dwarika, and he has made a healthcare robot. So I'll just give you a short glimpse, and I'll also share you the video links of these projects. I'm just starting the video.
Healthcare Robot by Raghav Mukhija, Mount Carmel School 60, helping people in this pandemic. I have created an AI-based robot that could tell the immediate actions to be taken before the doctor arrives. You can tell to the robot any situation, disease like heart attack, skin burn, snake bite, and oxygen level low. And my program will tell which immediate action we must take while the ambulance arrives. If the person does not know the emergency number, the robot will tell that too. So let us see how
The emergency situation, and I will sort it out for you.
oxygen level goes down.
Do the following things. 1. Call nearest doctor or call 911. 2. Make the patient lie face down, on their abdomen or stomach.
Heart attack.
Do the following things. 1. Call 911 right away. 2. Chew and swear gaping open, then call nearest doctor or call 911.
Snake bite.
Do the following things. 1. 5. Do not apply ice or a tourniquet. 6. Call 911.
Thank you.
So, so I think with the video projects was totally clear that how exactly it was working, right? So basically this is on the healthcare robot for the first medication if anything goes wrong with someone. So if in case like oxygen levels goes down, what should be done? So it's again a very wonderful project, and again a very big congratulations to Raghav from Mount Carmel School, Dwarka. Now I'll take you to the second first runner-up. Okay, so the second first runner-up is Dilshan Kaur from Mount International School for making ACE the alphabet. So again, I will just show you some of the glimpse, and again I'll share you the link of the, I should say the link of the video.
And my name is Dilshan and I'm a student of grade 9. I have made this program called ACE the Alphabet. This program helps toddlers learn the alphabet with examples and explanations of computer terms. It also helps you to learn the correct pronunciation by speech recognition. Let's first understand the code. For this program, I have added 2 extensions that are artificial intelligence and text-to-speech. So first of all, I have set the position of the sprite and then I have changed the background. After that, the sprite would introduce itself.
Repeat after me. F is for face detection.
Face detection.
Very good. Face detection is a computer technology that identifies human faces in digital images. G is for Google. Repeat after me. G is for Google.
G is for Google.
Very good. Google is the search engine. H is for hard disk.
So I think the project was very clear that how exactly it was working. So with the different alphabets, it was making you learn how you have to pronounce the words, also giving you the exact knowledge of the information technology, all the related terms. So again, I will just share my screen, and a big congratulations to Dilshan Kaur from Mount International School. Okay, so now we'll move to the second runner-up. So till now we have covered about the first, the winner and 2 first runner-ups, and now it's the time for second runner-ups. So the second runner-up is the Ryansh from the Subodh Public School, and I'll just show you the project now, a little glimpse, and I'll also share you the link of complete project.
Hello everyone, my name is Riyansh Bichar from class 5th Subodh Public School. To make this project, I use artificial intelligence, speech recognition, face recognition, game with artificial intelligence, machine learning. I do coding with PictoBlocks and I use 10 sprites. John, Harjal, Abhay, Danny, Danny 2,
Please show us your animal vector.
This is a lion. This is a bear. This is a cat. This is elephant. This is a dog. Done.
I made celebrity detector. Akshay Kumar. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Robert Downey Jr. Done. I have made robot like Alexa.
hello dear.
How are you?
I have a problem.
So I think like you guys were liking the video as well. So we have pasted the link, and because like it was really amazing to see wonderful projects like you combining all the understanding which you have taken. Okay, and not to see. So if I will talk of all the projects are very awesome, and all of you have given a very good, I should say, a very good understanding and showed us that you have understood the concept. I would also like to draw your attention towards one thing that in this time, what I have observed is like in your videos, a very well communication. So your explanation towards the things are getting better again and again. Right? So it's amazing. So you guys are explaining the things, and this is something is not only giving you an understanding of the codes what you are using, you are learning the logical skills. Also, you are now able to communicate on a social media, and you can communicate on a public speaking. Okay, so be coming up with wonderful projects. Now I will move to the next the next part. That is the second runner-up 2. So I'll just. So the second runner-up 2 is just a moment. Yeah, it's Shivang Mishra from APS Udhampur. So now I'll just play a small video what he has made, and then I will also share the links to you.
A very good afternoon to one and all watching this video. I am Shivang Mishra, a student from APS Dhar Road, Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. And I am participating in the AI Bootcamp 2021. Today, I'll be presenting my final project, which is going to be a personal home assistant that I have developed. Before getting started, I would like to mention that this project has been created indigenously by me without any external help. And I would also like to thank all my AI instructors, especially Ayush sir. It is because of them that I have been able to create this wonderful project. Ayush sir always motivates us and encourages us to explore more in PictoBlocks, and that is one of the major reasons. It says, what is your name? Now, first of all, Pico is prompting us to say our name, and then it also says, just say your name and do not use phrases like my name is. This means that we just have to say our name without any phrases. So we'll go down. So this is how it's going to speak. The next thing we see is the forever block. The forever block is used to prompt the user multiple times to ask the question. So let's have an if statement. Now this if statement is contained in the previous if statement. So basically, if recognized celebrity count is greater than 0, this means that if one celebrity or 2 or 3 celebrities have been detected, then Pico will speak. Then Pico will speak. Your age is Y. We also use the join operator here. So if my age is 13, it will say your age is 13. And then obviously we give it a weight. And then we have the next else statement, else if statement. Now the last but definitely not the least is the else statement. Now in case the recognition is not recognized in any of the following cases, this means that the recognized speech is not part of any of the commands, then Pico is going to give a very polite message. Sorry, I have not been trained to answer this question yet. So this was the final command, and all this is pretty awesome. So I would request you to check out this in the link that I'll be giving in the project. Now I have made this completely on my phone, so it does work a little slowly. So I would request the people who are watching this to test this, and I would really appreciate that. And also this project has taken a lot of time, so I would really also appreciate if you just check the project, and your feedback is really valuable. And once again, I would like to thank all my AI instructors, especially Ayush sir, as I mentioned.
So I think the project was pretty clear that it was about the chatbot, and where it has been, there were many extensions were used, where starting from object detection, speech recognition, and many things. One of the most wonderful part of this project was the complete big project is made in the I should say smartphone only. So the screen you were seeing wasn't of the smartphone. Okay, and he has shared the screen of the smartphone on the laptop, and for explanation only he have taken the help of a laptop, but the complete project has been done on the smartphone. So now you can think that how you can also take this opportunity, because PictoBlocks is going to be working very well into the smartphones, right? So you can take this opportunity and start working on it. So I have also pasted the link for this video, because these are some videos where it can range from like even 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we just showing you some of the glimpse. We want you to go to the video link and explore much on the project. So now I'll just share back my screen and we'll move to the next award. So now these were the two second runner-ups. Now the things come up with the consolation prize. So there are 5 consolation prizes. The first is Shakti Vishwa for Kamlavati Senior Secondary School. Second is Ojas Verma from Subodh Public School. The third is Vinayak Handa from BCM Senior Secondary School. The fourth is Manyata Singh Kotwal from APS Udhampur. And Yashika Jain, Harsh Convent School, Suratgarh. So it was amazing to see all the projects by all of you students. Now I'll try to show you some of the glimpse of all these consolation prizes videos, and I will keep sharing the links into the description. So please stay with us, because this is not the end. We are going to help other students also right now, that how you will be downloading the certificates. So stay with us, stay connected, don't leave the meeting, because we are going to help you, each and every student, that how you will be downloading the certificate, because we have already released those certificate into the website. Okay, so I just take few minutes and show you all the 5 projects, some little glimpse, and I'll share the links of them. And I want again your participation till the end in the session, because I want every students who have completed the assignment and projects should acquire that certificate without any problem. Okay, and still if you are finding a problem, so you can reach out to me in the the chat section in the website. So there was a little some problem for one day where we could not connect to you. Okay, but now everything is good. Feel free to ask your questions there. We will be responding you ASAP. So now it's time to see some of the videos, starting with the first one.
I am Shakti Vishwa from Kamlavati Senior Secondary School. I am from Koilpatnam in Tuticorin district in Tamil Nadu. I had made a project in PictoBlocks platform to participate in Codathon competition, which will held by AI Bootcamp Batch 2. I want to participate in the competition, so I had made a project. This project named Project for Old Age People I had made. If old age people was bedridden by disease such as diabetes, if they got wound in the leg, it will not be cured because the diabetes is more. So they can not able to walk. They can only bedridden. So they need all the help from others, the house members. So house members not able to sit with them always. They have work in kitchen or hall or any other places. Anyway, one member will be there in house to take care of them. They are also not sit with them all time. They have some works. If the diabetes patient or some other bedridden patients are not able to go and ask the help, so they can sit in their place and ask for help for just shaking their hand in front of the camera. We need to keep the camera in front of the old people, and if they shake the hand, the camera give commands to computer, the computer give commands to speaker. The speaker suddenly said, "Come here, I need help. Come here, I need help." So the people in the house come to help them. This is easy for them. Should be there. This is the project. In PictoBlocks, it is very easy. This is the stage. In stage only, we will be visible. Our camera. This is my webcam. When I had made a coding, when green flag is clicked, turn video on. The video will automatically on. We set video transparent to 0. Transparency, we can make any transparency, but no problem. Transparency clear, that only I had put it in 0. It's your wish. I had made forever, so it will be saying forever until the stop this hand. I had made one block. This is operator's block. In the operator it will be there. See this block. I had made this block here, and I can place the video sensing block here. Take the video sensing sphere. I take video motion on the stage. Above the 100 means I have set the language to English, set the voice to alto, and it automatically until or otherwise we can make come here and it help or other any other device. That's all.
Ayush, you are on mute.
Yeah. So as I was saying, this was a wonderful project made by the student from the Kamlavati. So there was a motive behind the project that if there is some persons who are old age and they are bedridden, means they are only on the bed, they might be having some problems of diabetics and they might be having some wound. So how they will be able to call the other house people, because everyone cannot be at all the time at near them. So he has made a project where if you are going to like shake your hand in a little faster manner, so it is going to just send a message on the speakers in the home that I need someone to help. So this was amazing, and again a congratulations. Now coming to the second consolation prize, I'll just start the video again.
In this video, we will be looking at an hypothetical tech complex, PicTech. The concepts involved are AI, machine learning, text-to-speech with the help of animation. Let's see a demonstration.
Mask detected. Welcome to PicTech.
Hello, I am Jarvis. I am your guide at PicTech Campus. Let's begin our journey. This is our AI lab. Our AI specialists work here on their projects. Meet Edith, our AI specialist.
Hi. Today we are going to see the demonstration of machine learning. Our team has developed an algorithm which can figure out Hence ML is the capacity of machines to learn and adapt from the data given to it. I hope you have enjoyed the working of our model.
Yes, it was fantastic. For the last, I would like to mention that AI means the capacity of machines to think and learn themselves about AI and concepts related to it. Now it's time for me to leave. Okay, bye. Stay safe and always wear your mask.
So again, it was again a very wonderful project where all the concepts were brought in one single project, from making a story, making walking, and also creating story to different artificial intelligence concept. Along with that, the major feature again was that complete use of I should say, the smartphone. So all those extensions were very well used, very well executed in the smartphone. So it was again a very well shown up that you can use your smartphone, because PictoBlocks is very friendly with the your smartphones, and you can make wonderful projects in it, right? So I'll just show you a video of the next project.
Hello everyone, I am Vinayak Handa from BCM Senior Secondary School, Sector 32, Ludhiana. And today I am going to present my Codathon final project. So I have made a personal assistant using artificial intelligence. So it can play songs, tell weather, translate from English to other languages. It also has an emotion detector and a game. So let's start our program.
Hi, I am Retro, your personal assistant. Here is the list of things which I can do. You can click on them or click on the speak button and speak what you want to do.
So let's try by first speaking. Play songs. So and it also turns off our video. And it also says that, hi, I am Retro, your personal assistant. So this is the coding part for speech recognition. For the speech recognition, I have used artificial intelligence extension. So if the speech recognition result is containing song, it broadcasts play song message. And same is for the weather and tells us our emotion. So for the game I have also used the same formula. When the sprite is clicked, broadcast games. So the main sprite for the game is Beetle. So we can control the Beetle by up arrow, down arrows, left arrow and right arrow.
So yeah, so I think you have already understood again all the concepts were brought in together using of the backdrop, creation of sprites. So these were some of the parts which are jury liked. That student also explained each and everything very clearly. Also mentioned some of the comments over the code. So it was amazing to see the hard work given on the project. Now coming to the next project, that is, I'll just play this video and also share you the link in a moment.
Good morning, I'm Manita Singh Kotwal. I'm a student of APS Udhampur and I study 9th standard. I live in Udhampur, J&K. Here comes my capstone project, which is based on the principles of machine learning.
Lifespan, Colossobruchus maculatus, 10 to 14 days, Eastern Hercules beetle, 3 to 6 months. This is a butterfly. Lifespan, 12 months, from egg to death, in the wild. Lifespan, 7 to 56 days, adult. This is a ladybug. One last time to become a chrysalis, Katoda.
So I think the like the voice is little low on the when I'm sharing the video, okay. But when you are going to listen it on your on your devices, I have shared you the link. You will get a pretty clear idea what exactly it is. So here she has trained so many classes, like she has trained with the so many classes of the insects. And what exactly she is telling what exactly the name is, what exactly the lifespan is, and where exactly these insects can be found. So very well done. And the last project, I will just share you the, I'll show you the video.
Guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the capstone project on BitTalks blog. So I created a translator in BitTalks blogs. Here I begin. So these are my vlogs, and in this project I used two new extension. These are translator and text to speech extension. So now let me show you how does it works. So here we begin.
I'm translator. I can translate any word of your desired language.
Now I'm choosing a word like hello. Which language? So I'm choosing Russian. So it's showing the result. So as you can see the answer, so we are all our blocks are all correct, coding is all correct. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.
So hope you have liked all the projects what we have just shown you. So I like, again you can see the last project was again on the smartphone. So as the main motive is to reach out to the maximum students, we want you, if even you don't have the laptops and things, you can do the all things very easily on the smartphone, okay, because PictoBlocks is very smooth with it, and you can enjoy learning artificial intelligence. So I will just say that if you have liked all the interface of your user phones, okay, of your smartphones, so don't forget to go to the PictoBlocks on the Google platform, I should say Google Play Store, and rate us there, because your feedbacks are very important. And it was seen that on the last camps the student posted wonderful reviews, and we were able to get that, okay, now the students are understanding how to use the smartphones. So don't forget and start, please rate us on the I should say Google Play Store for the PictoBlocks. I will just share my screen back and again show you all the winners, so that like there is, if in case anyone has missed. So I'll just take you back on this. So the the winner of the competition was Kirill Kocher from GD Goenka. The first runner-up is Raghav Mukhija. The second first runner-up is Dilshan Kaur. The second runner-up is Ryansh. Second runner-up is Shivang Mishra. And the 5 consolation prizes are A Shakti Vishwa, Ojas Verma, Vinayak Handa, Manita Singh Kotwal, and Yashika Jan. Now I would just request Mr. Pankaj to share their views on to how exactly how exactly they have liked it. Also, I would like to tell the students, don't leave, because we will be showing you that how you can download your certificates, because I know many of you are finding a problem on it. So we will be sharing you how you can do it very easily. So yeah.
Yeah, so first of all, congratulations to all the winners, and also congratulations to all the participants of the Mission AI Bootcamp. So like it was a very tough competition between the winners and participants as well. So I would just say that the projects level that students have worked on and created is very good. The level has gone up from the last bootcamp, and we have seen very good projects as well. So even after this bootcamp, we want you to work on PictoBlocks and make projects and upload it on YouTube as well. A lot of students who what they have started out is they have started out working on this project as a hobby. They just like to work on artificial intelligence and machine learning and more. And we would request you to just go around and make more projects on AI and machine learning and robotics as well. So explore more things and then create projects and share it with us as well. We will be sharing it also, so that you are getting so your project is getting all the visibility that is required as well. So just work on more projects, create projects, share with us. We will be sharing it further as well. And congratulations to all the winners. They will be getting the prizes very soon. And now Ayush will tell you how to get your certificate from the portal, from the website also. So all the best to all of you for the future programs, and we will be coming up with more programs for you as well. And we will be connecting you again for them as well. So thank you everyone for attending all the sessions. And I would just once again congratulate to all the winners of the boot camp and the competition.
Yeah. So I would also request Mr. Pramod sir to please put on 2 words for motivating the students. And the students, after this, we will be moving on where exactly how we can download the certificate. Yeah, Pramod sir.
Yes. Thank you, Ayush. All I want to say to all the people who have participated in this camp is that what you have learned is just the beginning, as I said in the beginning. So continue your journey. As Pankaj just said, keep creating more things and then bring them into the portal. We'll be creating more courses for you. We'll be bringing more boot camps for you. And we'll also be creating a Mission AI Club kind of thing where, so basically what we want is you to continue practicing, learn from each other, share in the community what you've done. And most of the things we'll be displaying proudly in our Mission AI website also. So you will be acknowledged throughout India. But the idea is keep improving your AI skills day by day, because this is how it is. If you talk, if you practice, you learn. So this is learning by doing, and that is why we have done this camp. We have shown you how easy it is to learn everything. Now it is up to you to practice, and make it better. All these top projects which we have done, we have shown to you, is so that you can improve your own program, create even better programs. And then there are more boot camps, more competition. We'll be doing Code Fiesta. We are doing a lot of different camps, codeathons, and so on. So you'll have a lot of chance to display your skills. But the idea is try to become the best in the world. If you know your small child has developed the most fantastic AI which is working now. He has developed the rocket which is taking the people to space. He has developed satellite communication which will bring you 100 Mbps speed to your mobile. So everything is happening through AI, and the person is Musk. And I want our students to be even better than Elon Musk. So that is all I can say. The world is your oyster, but you have to open it. You have to work on it. And you will get your pearl out of it. So become the pearl of AI. Our effort is only to make sure that you can bloom into the real AI scientist. So continue practicing and sharing with others and discussing. So we will create all this ecosystem like Pankaj had said, so that you can collaborate, you can create a vibrant AI community. And once we reach that 1 lakh and 1 million session, by that time we will be in a different India together. And you will be on top of your courses. Just in this much you have seen how to create programs, how to create your videos, how to communicate effectively. So these are very, very important components of success in your life. So wish you all the best for your life and continue your journey with Mission AI from now on. Thank you, Ayush. That is all I want to say. Keep in touch with us and continue your AI journey. Thank you, Ayush. Please take.
Yeah. So now the second part comes up with the I should say the download of certificates, which was the major students were finding a trouble. So I'm now going to show you how you can do that. So just give me a moment. I'll just share my screen and show you that. So I'm sorry, I think I shared the wrong screen. So I think my screen would be very much visible to all of you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now the thing here is like, see how exactly we are moving. You have to see, and I will be explaining it in Hindi and English both, because there were some of the students who asked me to explain in Hindi as well. Okay, so first step, what you have to do is, you can see there is a sign in option. So sorry, log out option. So right now I'm logged in, so I log out myself to show you the things with very starting, right? So now the first part is like you have to log in. Okay, तो आपको सबसे पहले ये वेबसाइट पे आना है और आपको यहाँ पे लॉग इन करना. That is the first part. Once you will click on login here, students, you will be directed towards the dashboard. तो यहाँ पे आप अपने डैशबोर्ड पे आ जाओगे. Okay, so this is your dashboard. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू थिंक कि आपको सर्टिफिकेट लेना है आपके बूट कैम्प का. सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द बूट कैम्प फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज 17 जून टू 1 जुलाई. आपको ये देखना है कि कौन सा बूट कैम्प है, 17 जून टू 1 जुलाई. जैसे ही आप यहाँ क्लिक करोगे, सो अभी ये मेरे में शो कर रहा है डाउनलोड सर्टिफिकेट और यहाँ पे 100%, बट बहुत सारे बच्चों के में नहीं कर रहा है. सो आई विल टेल यू कि वो कैसे करेगा. सो व्हाट वी डिड वाज कि हमने आपके लास्ट के 2 असाइनमेंट्स को इजी करने के लिए हमने वहां से रिमूव किया था, राइट. सो आप लोगों को बेसिक्स ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग तक सारी चीजें कंप्लीट रखनी है. सो यू हैव टू लाइक सबमिट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एंड टिल द बेसिक्स ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग. आफ्टर दैट आपको मास्क डिटेक्टर पे क्लिक करना है. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द मास्क डिटेक्टर and you will be seeing no quiz here because we removed the assignment to give you time to work with the final projects. But on the top here you can see written as next session, right? यहाँ पे previous session लिखा है, यहाँ पे next session लिखा है. तो आप लोगों को यहाँ पे ये complete करने का ऑप्शन आएगा. क्योंकि मैंने पहले से complete किया हुआ है तो मेरे में ये next session लिख के आ रहा है. आप लोगों के में यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट सेशन की जगह इट विल बी कमिंग एज कंप्लीट और आपको उसको कंप्लीट को प्रेस करना है. जैसे ही आप कंप्लीट प्रेस करोगे ये प्रोग्रेस बार बढ़ जाएगा. ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट आई जस्ट रिपीट दिस स्टेप्स. ओके, आई जस्ट रिपीट बिकॉज दिस माइट बी लिटिल आप लोगों को हो सकता है कुछ डाउट हो. तो पहले हम डैशबोर्ड पे आ गए. डैशबोर्ड पे आने के बाद हम मास्क डिटेक्टर वाले ऑप्शन में गए. मास्क डिटेक्टर के ऑप्शन में वी कैन सी कि यहाँ पे मेरे में नेक्स्ट सेशन आ रहा है, बट आप लोगों के में यहाँ पर कंप्लीट का एक ऑप्शन आएगा तो आपको उसे प्रेस करना है. तो आप जैसे ही प्रेस करोगे कंप्लीट, आप नेक्स्ट सेशन में चले जाओगे, राइट. तो नेक्स्ट सेशन जो है आपका वो आपको दिखने लगेगा जो है स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन का, राइट. अगेन ये भी आप इसको स्टडी करके यहाँ पे आपको अगेन प्रीवियस सेशन के बगल में कंप्लीट का. ओके, सो आई रिपीट, आपको पहले मास्क डिटेक्टर में जाना है, वहां पे टॉप साइड में कंप्लीट का ऑप्शन प्रेस करना है. फिर उसके बाद आपको स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन में आना है. यहाँ पे भी आपको ये रीड करके यहाँ पे कंप्लीट का जो ऑप्शन है उसे क्लिक करना है. एक बार आप यहाँ पे पूरी चीजें कंप्लीट आप करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये प्रोग्रेस बार 100 तक चले जाएगा. वंस यू हैव डन दैट, so you have to go back to the dashboard और डैशबोर्ड के ऊपर में आपको आपका सर्टिफिकेट आने लगेगा. लाइक यू कैन सी यहाँ पे आपको यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन डाउनलोड सर्टिफिकेट एंड दिस विल बी डाउनलोडेड टू यू विथ योर नेम. आई रिपीट कि आप डैशबोर्ड में जाओगे. डैशबोर्ड में जाने के बाद आप करंट बूट कैंप है जो कि 17 जून टू 1 जुलाई उसे सेलेक्ट करोगे. आप लोगों को मास्क डिटेक्टर में जाना है. मास्क डिटेक्टर में जो ऊपर में कंप्लीट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है राइट हैंड साइड कॉर्नर पे, उसे क्लिक करना है. स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन के आप चैप्टर में जाओगे और देयर ऑल्सो यू विल फाइंड अ कंप्लीट ऑप्शन ऑन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर. वो दोनों करने के बाद यू विल बी एबल टू गेट दिस ऑप्शन ऑफ डाउनलोड सर्टिफिकेट. ऑल्सो वी विल बी शेयरिंग यू दिस वीडियो, so आपको कोई डाउट रहेगा so you can just see कि how I did it and you can also do it later on. Okay, so this was I should say was the part where we wanted to like take care because you guys were finding a difficulty. And again I would like to say that some students are finding a problem to reach out to me. Okay, so as I said in last in 1 or 2 days there was a little bit of technical issue due to which like मैं आपको TDO like chat पे आपके reply नहीं दे पा रहा था, but everything is resolved. You can start again reaching out to me for anything. तो आप मुझसे वहाँ पे chat पे पूछ सकते हो and I will be replying you there. Okay, so this was all from my end. I would like to congratulate to all the winners who have won the prizes and all the participants because they have explained it very well. And to be very honest students, I am really impressed with the way you have explained the things in the video. All the videos, it's not the winners only but other projects also. It was so well explained that it just gave me such a good feeling that you all have understood each and everything very clearly. Okay, so now as like we have already told you that you are now the ambassadors of Mission AI. So now together we have to grow the community where we can ask other students also to learn this artificial intelligence. Okay, and we will be notifying you shortly about it. Also, don't forget to rate the PictoBlocks on the Google Play Store with your wonderful ratings and wonderful comments. So yeah, so this was all from my side. Pramod sir, would you like to add anything?
Yes. All I want to add is, you have started your journey for AI again. I might get boring, but AI is very exciting. So continue this journey. If you have not got the prize, look at what the prize winners have made. Make something better than that. There will be more boot camps. So next boot camp, you make sure that you are the winner. In the meanwhile, develop your skills. Read up on the things which are happening now very fast in AI, and you can find out what you need to improve yourself. That is one. Second is always learn from each other and learn by doing. So keep in touch with your friends, share your projects with each other, and try and help each other. So doing that, your journey will be very fast. So as I said, we will also be creating a Mission AI club for people like you who have already done the Mission AI boot camp, so that you can collaborate with interested students like you. So after some time, when we have 1 lakh students collaborating in AI, I can just imagine that we will be able to defeat any other country. You will become the leaders. India will become the leaders. So yes, we have put the banner in your hand. Now raise it high. Let us raise the banner of Mission AI high above India and make India the AI superpower of this century. Thank you, everybody. My wishes are that you master AI so well that you will become the richest person in the world, not Elon Musk. Elon Musk is taking humans to moon in the next 2 years and to Mars in the next 4 to 5 years. And I'm sure by the time you pass out and start practicing your AI, you will be able to take humanity to the stars. So AI is that powerful. So aim for the stars now. There's no looking back. Continue your journey with AI. Keep in touch with Mission AI. Keep in touch with your friends. Keep learning something new every day, and we are always there behind you. You all know how to get in touch with us. So please do that. Continue touching and participate in all the activities we will be doing in the future. Thank you. That is all I wanted to say. It was a very nice boot camp. Thank you, Ayush. And as you have seen, beautiful projects are coming out now, and they will become better and better. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you, all the participants. And look forward to see you in our next program. Thank you, everybody. We look forward to you.
So
Yes,
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And I would like to take three major doubts. So the first is the AI club. So students, we will be notifying you about the AI club. So we are working because we need all the things to be well worked for you. We don't want you to like join and you are finding a trouble. We always want you to focus on the your main motive, and everything will be taken care by our team, under the experience of Pramod sir, Pankaj sir, and me. Okay, you have to just focus on the visions, learning concepts, and try innovating. So till now we are working on it. We will notify you how you can join it. Second is certificate. So all the students who have completed the assignments and they can see the progress bar as in 100% will be receiving the certificates from the dashboard only. The third is the prizes. So students who have like secured their position in the bootcamp, we will be contacting you in your registered email ID with a small form that you have to fill, and then our team will start reaching out to you personally and we will try to get all things shipped. Okay, now one of the most wonderful questions I can see is, when is the next boot camp? So it's amazing to see this question and it's really superb and it just fills us with a real energy and motivation. So we will be coming up with the new dates. We are looking forward towards you to join us again, and also bring all your friends so that together we can create such an ecosystem that every one of us will be building an AI. So thank you from my side. Thank you again. We are looking forward for such a wonderful projects and your experience with us. Also, I would like to share a feedback form for all of you. So I would love that if you will fill this feedback form. So right now I'm just closing the chat for as of now, and we would kindly request you to fill this feedback form, students. This will help us to improve and give you the better and give us the better understanding that how we can improve. So please fill this feedback form, okay? And also feel free to reach out to me on the chat on the website. Thank you again. Thank you, sir.
All the best for your AI adventures. We will be the best, and we are the best. So go ahead, keep practicing, and keep becoming better and better. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you, everybody, for participating, and look forward to your presence in the next camp and the next active. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you, Dr. Prem. I think, Ayush, you can close it now.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Please don't forget to fill the feedback form. We are waiting for your answer. Thank you.
Yes,
thank you.
Yes, thank you. Okay. I'll take your leave.